Hello everybody. Hi Sihle.
Hi.
Sihle is gonna assist me today making Sunday lunch. So welcome everybody to Cook with Melanie, a channel where I share my recipes with you that I cook for my family. And today we are making pork belly. We are making some vegetables. We are making a seafood, like a spicy saucy seafood dish, and some savory rice, and this big boy. That I got.
Some boy.
Big handsome boy. This big pumpkin that I got from Emakaya. So we're gonna start off with the pork belly. Start by seasoning your pork belly. I've used some paprika, some salt, pepper, and some fennel seeds as well. And then I use coconut oil to just rub everything together, and this oyster sauce, which adds a delicious flavor. And and then you put that in the oven to roast. Then you go onto your rice, fry some red onion in coconut oil, and then you can add some spice for rice, delicious. And then your rice, I've used 2 cups of rice, enough for my family. And then so you saute that, and then you can add your water. While the rice is cooking, you'll go back to your pumpkin, the big boy, and start preparing that. So chopping it and peeling it and dicing it into more even-sized dices. Not forgetting your rice. So check on your rice, check that it is cooking properly, and then you add peas. I've used fresh peas. You can use frozen peas as well. And then you add a little bit more water. And you let that cook again, and then you can start cooking your pumpkin in a bit of salted water. While your pumpkin is cooking, you go back to your rice and you add sun-dried tomatoes. Don't add too much, just so that it gives you a nice tang in the flavor. And while that is doing cooking away your pork belly, reduce your heat and let it cook again. Now onto the seafood. So in a pan, saute some spices. So this is like a mild curry powder, and then I'm adding some lemongrass, garlic, ginger, chili, delicious flavors. You can add more oil if you want. Actually, mine needed more. And then some black tiger prawns. Cook that until it's pink on both sides. Add some seasoning as well, and then what you'll do is start removing the prawns from the sauce, so that you can cook your other components of this dish. The other component is I've used hake. You can use any white firm fish. Cook your hake until it starts being flaky, not too soft, and then you'll start removing that as well. And you see, I add oil as I'm cooking. Before you remove that, you add your this is trout, but you can add salmon as well. And then you bring back your prawns, and you add some fresh cream, yum, and stock as well. I did that, and then you'll start serving your dishes. These are green beans cooked in with spinach in stock. So that's how I've done that. I mean, that's easy peasy. I didn't have to show you what I've done there. And then you serve everything. Some sweet corn, also just steamed, and deliciousness. Your green beans, your pork belly, your seafood, and everything just ready for your family. As you can see, I've done quite a bit of dishes. So I've taken some pastries that I bought for the sweet stuff, so that everybody loves sweet. So yeah, that is it, everyone. Thank you.